Okay, now I have finished the customization, logo, and background processing. Now let us try another one. Okay, turn off. Okay, turn off. Turn off the power. Now MP setting. Okay, power off, MP setting. Click this one. Click the bottom button. It means unlock. Input MIMA means passwords 1 2 3. Enter. Oh, you will see. This one you don't need to change. Okay, we just change this user data, or not logo maybe. Okay, double click. Okay, we just choose this bin. Now we choose this one. Okay, now confirm this button confirm. Click. Okay, now this tick and this tick and this ticker and this ticker and this so in Chinese meaning. Okay, English meaning is lock. Okay, very good. Let us click the other page. MP. Okay, let me check. Okay, MP download. Click. Okay, very good. Now it asks make copy it again. Insert this one. Okay, let us check. Insert this one. Okay, download. Click the button download. Let us wait sometimes almost 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, my friend, let us check. Take it out. Okay, let us check. Hold this again. Hold this LCD again. Let us check. Not English. I'm sorry. Chinese. We need. Okay, my friend. Let us change language. English. Okay, very good. Now let us check. Okay, setting logo. This one. Okay, this one. Okay, this logo we have changed logo to this one. Now stand up and let us check. Okay, check the model. This one. Okay, pick up. This one. Okay, this for another car, another customer. Okay, this background. Okay, very good. Okay, I hope you will understand. Actually, it's very easy. I will show you this by video. You have any questions, you have any doubts, please contact me. My name is Jason. I come from Shenzhen Cardot. I'm engineer. Thank you.